In this video, we show how to replace the left control panel on a PowerEdge R7625. Before removing the left control panel, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the R7625 service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the left control panel, you must first remove the cover, air shroud, and fan assembly. To remove the cover, use a screwdriver to rotate the lock counterclockwise to the unlocked position. Next, lift the release latch until the system cover slides back. Then, lift the cover from the system. To remove the air shroud, hold the edges of the air shroud and lift it out of the system. To remove the fan cage assembly, lift the blue release levers, then, holding the release levers, lift it away from the system. To remove the left control panel, disconnect the control panel cable from the system board. Using a screwdriver, remove the 5 screws securing the cable cover to the system. Then, remove the cable cover. Next, remove the 3 screws securing the control panel to the chassis. Then, remove it, carefully pulling the cables through the slot on the chassis. To install the left control panel, insert and route the cables into the slot on the chassis. Align the control panel with the chassis and tighten the 3 screws, securing it into place. And insert the cable cover into the slot on the chassis. Then tighten the 5 screws, securing it into place. Connect the control panel cable to the system board. To install the fan cage assembly, align the guide rails with the standoffs on the system. Press release levers to lock the assembly into the system. To install the air shroud, align the slot on the air shroud with the standoff on the system. Then, lower it into the system until it is firmly seated. To install the cover, align the system cover with the guide slots on the system and place it onto the system. Next, close the system cover release latch. Finally, rotate the lock clockwise to the lock position. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.